Peace, family. I'm back for number 4. This is Jay Morrison, CEO and founder of the Jay Morrison Academy, business coach, real estate developer, author, influencer, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. I've gotten busy in this lifetime and have run over 24 businesses, had a lot of success, but I've had some flops and some failures. I've made some big mistakes. And so this series is me being transparent and authentic and vulnerable with you and sharing with you all some of the mistakes that I've made. We shared 3 mistakes previously in this series. Now I want to share with you number 4 of my top 5 mistakes. And number 4 for me is, I had it, I just lost it. Stay right there. What was it? Oh, I got it. Don't even edit this. Don't even be rocking with it. Number 4 is not sticking to doing what you do best, right? So a lot of times as visionaries and entrepreneurs, our ideas get big. We want to chase different trends, chase different opportunities. Oh, this one got some money over here, some money over there. And so I found myself at one time trying to do, I do a lot now, but I was trying to do everything in every different niche, in every different field. And it's okay to have an expansive vision or a robust vision, but you got to have the kind of capital, resources, staff, and operations to support that vision. If you don't have the team to support such a comprehensive vision, then you might want to minimize what you're doing, right? So at the time, for me, I didn't have a huge team, right? I had, a few staff members that worked with me. Wasn't a big organization, but I had big companies and big visions that I was running. And so I really was understaffed. And on top of being understaffed, which is another mistake within the mistake is being understaffed, but the other mistake is I wasn't doing what I do best. I was doing something I liked. I was doing something that interests me. I was challenging myself with something new, but I wasn't sticking to the root of what I do best. Now, if you want to expand into other business ventures, that's fine. But I got reined in by my mentor, Emory Jones. When I was running a record label, I was having an entertainment company, I was doing party promotions, I was doing everything that was fun, and I had kind of abandoned real estate development and real estate training. And then Emory was like, bruh, anybody could do music, but what you do, and what I'll know you for, is real estate training, real estate development, real estate education, being the real estate guy. And he was like, why don't you stick to doing what you do best and have that be your foundation and then do all the other fun stuff. Don't just jump into or abandon your bread and butter, your niche, what you're most known for something else. He's like, look at Jay-Z. He said Jay-Z might do the 40/40 Club, Jay-Z might do Tidal, Jay-Z might do a bunch of other business ventures, but at the end of the day, what we know that Jay-Z does best, that's rap, spit them bars. And Jay-Z ain't stopped spitting them bars yet. And that's what Emory told me. He says, stick to what you do best. Even if you have other side business ventures, still stick to your core for as long as you can. And so I took that model, I ran with it, I dove back into real estate, recreated my brand, and that's why you see me as a man you see today as Jay Morrison, the business mogul, the real estate mogul, the real estate developer, the Tulsa real estate fund manager, and everything else in between, the author of Lord of My Land, the author of Hip Hop to Homeowners. I got back in the real estate space solely because my mentor put me on a game and encouraged me to do what I do best. And so had I not, I'll be doing a video on party promotion or some other kind of crap where I'll just be some guy out here trying to figure it out. But anyway, that was number 4 of 5, the biggest mistakes that I've made in business. I want to know from you, what are your biggest mistakes? What are your pain points? What's ailing you? How can I help you on February 1st of 2018 at 7 p.m. Eastern? How can I coach you? How can I train you? How can I help address your pain points? The only way I know what they are is if you use the hashtag AskJ and the hashtag CEO Talk. Put your pain points, your comments, your questions, your concerns, your issues with business and entrepreneurship. Put that in the comments or post your own video about it. Use the hashtag AskJ and CEO Talk, and I'm going to answer your mistakes, questions, or pain points on February 10th at 7 p.m. Eastern on our live stream of CEO Talk, a special edition of Ask Jay. Tomorrow, number 5 of our 5-part series of CEO Talk, my 5 biggest mistakes. Tune in tomorrow for this next mistake and tip and learn from my failures as we grow together. And I'll see you guys February 1st for our live stream. Peace.